People, in a Jamaica, in 1 o'clock in the morning, that's how we live. Lord, see there. 1 o'clock in the morning in a movie. Nothing. They must forward. Yeah, link up when you're forward from the airport. Don't be a stranger. But them said Jesus died in the manger. That's what they say. But them fish are righteous each and every day. Yes, people want to live in a life. Because there's no tomorrow. Tomorrow no exists. The Jamaica Good Life, me said tomorrow does not exist, people. When you left foreign and come live in a boathouse in Jamaica and fry fish every day. Run left it. Run left the job. No. Run left it.